Okay, today is Democracy Day, and Nigerians are not happy. They say nothing like democracy because we've seen the current state of the country. You know, hunger here and there, security issues, increase in electric tariff, minimum wage. The government government said they cannot pay, and then what not. Do you think Nigeria can continue with this for a very long
We are
time?
going to take back our country from those people that are sucking our blood. I am quite disappointed. I want you to join the protest that is going to erupt from Ikeja under the bridge. We are going to drive it down to the secretariat. We cannot continue in this way, and we cannot move forward. If an undergraduate is collecting, the senators and co are collecting this amount of money, and you have people that have degree, have this thing, for you to pay them money, you are mesmerizing, you are talking on their intelligence, putting them down. It's not fair now. It's not fair. Politicians are spoiling our economy. They are destroying our economy. Our economy is not moving as it's supposed to move. They are doing things to favor themselves, and this is not going the right direction of the country. As at this point now, you change Nigerian national anthem for what good, of what benefit is it to Nigerian citizens? What I expected the Nigerian government to do now is that number one, make price food effective. Like for example now, like the fuel now. Look at how it's initially there was a unified price, but now it's no longer unified. When you go to Mobi, it's 605. When you go to NNPC, it's 584. When you go to other, some is selling 700, some is 700. It's not the best way. Government is all about using the right way to govern the people. I will tell you the truth. You know, I said that we are going to take back our country back. We elected you, and the word elected means you are to serve us, not you, we being your slave. The reverse is the case, and I want to round up with this. If things are not done, a strike, an action will erupt. That's my humble take.
Things will be better by this time next year. Do you think things will be better, in terms of living cost, in terms of buying food, security, electricity, so do you think things would have been okay? See minimum wage. The governor, they don't want to pay, the 250,000 that the NLC is asking for. So do you think from now till next year, do you think things will be better? Until the next democracy, do you think things will be better?
From by the fruit, you know them. Thank you very much. By the fruit, you know them, because talking about June 12th, if they can be able, as in the tinubu administration is capable to handle this nature, so-called Nigeria, the nature called Nigeria. We could have seen a sample. We could have seen one example. We could have seen one example. Because it's the same tinubu that against Jonathan, that is against Jonathan government. Who forsake Jonathan government with Buhari, telling that they will make government ungovernable. Buhari say it against Jonathan. They are the one that are capable. They are the one that are capable to rule Nigeria. Fine. Now they do whatever they like to do. Wait to and protest, including brothers and sisters. Criticize that man, condemn that man as like cow. Condemn him like cow. They want to build a warehouse at Ojota. Take their permanent home. They take their permanent house. Day by day, they are there criticizing the only one man. That is a donker. Nothing that they don't use to condemn that man. No, I see expression. The Yoruba'S who know how to write, because they write against Jonathan. They are the one who has medias. They are the one who has television and radio. The paper, newspaper. They are the one who has everything. They are the majority. They have everything. They have all those things. You understand? They write everything, write heaven and earth against that man, one person. The whole president of Nigeria, the commander-in-chief of all armed forces. they condemn him. Write whatever they like, criticize him. Even the building with the gasket that he has dead already, he has dead already. Now they put Jonathan out. You know, for Southern government, make sure they put it out. Brought to Buhari, they say change. Change, you turn them to change. When they brought change, you turn to change. You turn Nigeria to change. They change. Buhari change Nigeria. Totally. But those who know how to write, they don't write against Buhari. They know themselves. They don't write against Buhari. They don't criticize. They don't want to order and protest.
But they scared.
Now this one comes, say Miloko. Now 1 year, nothing to show. When we think maybe this one could have been better than the other one, the so-called say Baba. We think that this one will be more better. End of the day, what is fishing is still fishing. If it has 10, it's so this is worse than it has 10 than the former one. Nothing to show. The killing is worse than that itself. It's worse now. Hunger is too much. Go and price a cup of rice or cup of beans. The beans is worse now. The food of common man is worse now. Almost 2,000 a cup of beans. Go and price a plate of beans. A plate of beans or a cup of beans. The liquor of beans. Almost 2,000 the liquor of beans. Where is the money? Everything he put the hand now. Price anything price now is money, all about money. But what is the money? When people are dying for hunger, people are dying here and here. People are begging. Look at our youth all over. They are begging here and here. Nothing to offer. People are begging.
I'm begging. I'm tired.
Our common youth are begging. Even including me. I cannot deny myself. I cannot deny that. I'm also begging. I thought I would beg my fellow human being because of the structure. Because they are not, this is not enough for me. You understand? So, what are you hoping to? Are you hoping for this government? This present government that way? People are roasting day by day. People are roasting day by day. Killing here and here. What is the light? Tomato now is 3, 4, 500. If you can count it 8 is 1,000.
Okay, so do you not think
Niger Delta. I mean, the Benue.
do you not think
No, they're killing.
wait, is it because of the farming? Is it because of farmer they cannot go to farm again because of the herdsmen?
Are you safe?
Yes.
You are going to farm now. Are you safe? Where the Fulani herdsmen cannot allow you to breathe. If you enter farm now, you are your own. Because your government do not care for you. Your government do not care. Whether you are surviving, you are living or not. They say we should go to farm. Now, what is the farm? Are you safe? Go. And when they do the Nigerian military, after set and done, they are still preparing the Fulanis, backing them up, guiding them. Killers. The killers.
They back the Fulani.
They back them, almost back them. Look at what is happening. I wonder. Look at what is happening in the Plateau. Plateau State. Killing day by day. Killing day by day.
Let's show the
What are we
call.
talking? You see, when the government, when our government, this is the present government, will show that yes, they are our leaders. I don't see anything. I don't see any progress for this present government that we are practicing now. I don't see any progress. Because when you took one bullet to a child and raise your hand up, when the hand begin to rotate, you will surely bring your hand down. The child will take the blood. And whatever goes around, always goes around. You can never use a cake and say have it. You took one bullet to another person. You think that it will work with you? No. It can never be well. It can never be well with you. So what are we talking?